If you're experiencing approval delays on Epic Games, follow these steps to help expedite the process. This guide will provide you with practical actions to take. Step 1. Check submission guidelines. Ensure that your submission adheres to Epic Games guidelines. Review the requirements for your project to confirm that all necessary information and assets are included. Step 2. Contact support. Reach out to Epic Games support for clarification on the status of your submission. Provide them with your submission details and ask if there are any issues that need to be addressed. Step 3. Review feedback. If you have received any feedback from Epic Games, carefully review it and make the necessary adjustments. Addressing their concerns can help speed up the approval process. Step 4. Resubmit if necessary. If your submission was rejected, make the required changes and resubmit it promptly. Ensure that you follow all guidelines and incorporate any feedback provided. Step 5. Stay engaged. Keep communication lines open with Epic Games. Regularly check for updates on your submission status and be responsive to any requests for additional information. By following these steps, you can help resolve approval delays and improve your chances of a timely response from Epic Games. Good luck!